Hey guys, Dave the MMP back on Yola. Part 2 of winch install in the cockpit. Last week I took out the old winches, drilled out the old holes oversized, filled them all up with epoxy so the core was all sealed up. And now I'm going to set the new winch skeletons in place, mark them, drill the epoxy as a smaller hole, and then put a chamfer at the top so I can put beetle tape around it, and the beetle tape will seal up the bolt holes. No water will go through, and this way the core is all sealed. All right, so here's the one that I've already installed on the starboard side, and it's got new stainless bolts in it, and I put some massive fender washers, I don't know if you can see that, underneath there. Stop those guys from pulling out. And now I just have to assemble the winch in this location. Alright, so this is on the port side. You can see that I've over drilled these holes, filled them full of epoxy. I even put a little chamfer at the top. That's going to help the beetle tape sit in there as a little cone and seal up around the bolt and underneath the winch so that I don't get water in there. Okay, let's just get this winch apart. We'll get the bolts on it, put the beetle tape on it, and we'll put it in the mounting location. Just got to get the drum off of this winch here. It's got a little clip on top. Get the clip off. Take the drum off. Now I'm left with just the skeleton of the winch. Put my hardware on. New 3/16 stainless steel hardware. Alright, time for the beetle tape. Bolts got beetle tape on them, put it in the mounting. And now for the bottom hardware. Big flat washer. Okay, all the fasteners are on. Let's tighten them up. Alright, there's the finished product. 2-speed winch mounted in the cockpit beside the main winch. And port side all done. You can see I got just a little bit of butyl tape squeezing out there, so I know I filled the holes. And we'll go ahead and put the spool back on the skeleton. And I just got to put the clip on and we're all good to go. So that's it for winch installation on Yola this week.